What are microchips? A microchip, also known as an integrated circuit, IC, is a small electronic device that contains many interconnected electronic components, such as transistors, resistors, and capacitors, on a tiny piece of semiconductor material, usually silicon. These components are arranged in a specific pattern and connected by thin metal wires to form a complete electronic circuit. Microchips are used in a wide range of electronic devices, from computers and smartphones to automobiles and medical equipment. They are capable of performing complex functions, such as processing data, storing information, and controlling electronic devices, all in a compact and efficient package. What was the cause for microchip shortage in recent years? The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a global shortage of semiconductor chips, which has led to production delays in various industries, including the automotive, consumer electronics, and computer industries. The pandemic led to an increase in demand for electronic devices, including smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and other consumer electronics. This, in turn, led to a surge in demand for semiconductor chips, which are essential components of these devices. The increased demand for semiconductor chips has caused a strain on the global supply chain, leading to delays in the production of these chips. The aftermath. To address the shortage, many companies are investing in expanding their production capacity, building new manufacturing facilities, and exploring alternative sources of supply. The semiconductor industry is also working on developing new technologies and processes to increase efficiency and improve yield rates. However, experts predict that in the upcoming years the industry will continue to grow as demand for electronic devices, including 5G smartphones and Internet of Things, IoT, devices, continues to increase. It is also expected that the industry will continue to face challenges related to the availability of raw materials, geopolitical tensions, and the ongoing impact of the pandemic. Slow ease from global shortage on microchips. Jaguar Land Rover has announced that it achieved positive free cash flow and profitability in fiscal Q3 as semiconductor supply challenges eased. Ford Pro CEO Ted Cannis has said that he believes things will improve this year. Unfortunately, on the supply side, the situation remains tenuous. We expect the chip situation to get a little better this year, but it's still an ongoing issue, Cannis said while speaking during the 9th annual Evercore Utility Conference in Florida on January 2023. Nintendo company plans on increasing production and then shipping them from Q2 2023 following the easing of the microchip shortage because Nintendo is hopeful that demand will remain high. Toyota continues to struggle with a shortage of semiconductors and has now limited orders for 9 models under the Lexus brand as a result. Hyundai Motor India has announced plans to increase its production capacity to 8.2 lakh units annually from June this year in a bid to reduce a backlog of orders following improvement in semiconductor supply issues, according to company officials. The ongoing chip war. America's war on Chinese chip making has notched up to another level. Washington fired the first shot, so to speak, last October with the CHIPS and Science Act, which offers a significant subsidy for semiconductor manufacturers to establish and expand operations domestically and also bans exports of advanced chips and chip-making equipment to China. In the last month, steps against China have redoubled. Pakistan and China have reportedly partnered to build a semiconductor industry in Pakistan, it has been reported by Pakistani media agency Wealth PK. Although Pakistan's semiconductor industry is considered to just be emerging and displaying signs of potential, the country's Ministry of Information Tech and Telecommunication, MOIT, said that a semiconductor zone will be set up in Pakistan with the help of China. The conclusion. In conclusion, winning the microchip war requires continuous innovation and strategic planning to meet the demands of the market and stay ahead of the competition.